Welcome back, everyone. In today's tutorial, we're diving into a common yet frustrating issue, missing menu items after updating to WordPress 6, especially when you're using a them-bay theme. If you've just finished an update, refreshed your homepage, and suddenly some or all of your menu links have vanished, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear path to recover those menus, understand what's causing the problem, and get your site looking exactly how it should. Let's jump right in. The very first thing you'll want to check is your website's caching. Now, caching is basically your site, your browser, or even your server keeping a snapshot of your pages to load things faster. While it's fantastic for speeding up websites, it can occasionally serve an old version, meaning after a big update, your menu changes may not be visible just yet. So take a moment to clear your browser cache. That's as simple as holding down Shift and clicking Reload or diving into your browser settings. But don't stop there. If you're using any caching plugins like WP Rocket or Lightspeed Cache, go into their dashboard and flush out those caches too. Some hosting providers offer server-level caching, so check your hosting panel if you're unsure. This step might seem basic, but you'd be surprised how often menus magically reappear after a good cache clear. Give the site a refresh, and if that fixed it, you're good to go. If your menu is still missing, it's time to lean on the experts, specifically the them-bay support team. them-bay has a comprehensive knowledge base filled with articles on setup and troubleshooting after updates. Search for your issue there first, maybe there's a quick documented fix. If not, open a ticket with them using the them-bay ticket system. Don't forget to give them details. When the menu disappeared, which theme you're using and any plugins involved. Think of them-bay as your site's mechanic. Their team knows the ins and outs of their themes far better than anyone else and can usually pinpoint the problem or suggest a patch, especially if it's something common after WordPress updates. Next up, let's isolate the issue. It could come from a plugin conflict or sometimes from the theme itself. For plugins, head over to Plugins, Installed Plugins in your WordPress dashboard. Here's a quick tip. Use bulk actions to deactivate all plugins at once. Don't worry, this won't break your site, just disables add-ons temporarily. Check your site now. If the menu returns, one of those plugins is clashing with your them-bay theme or WordPress 6. Reactivate each plugin one by one, refreshing your site each time until the menu disappears again. The plugin you just reactivated is likely the culprit. Update it first. Sometimes plugin authors patch issues right after major WordPress releases, or find a replacement if needed. But what if plugins aren't to blame? Sometimes it's the theme itself not playing nice with the latest WordPress update. To check, go to Appearance Themes and switch to a default WordPress theme like 2024. Your site may look quite different now, but focus on the menu. Is it back? If yes, that's a clear sign the them-bay theme needs an update or tweak to work with WordPress 6. Reach out to them-bay support with this info, as it'll help them help you even faster. If none of those steps gets your menu back, and the issue appeared right after an update, it might be time for a more thorough fix. Restoring your site from a backup. Hopefully you're running regular backups. If not, start today. Using plugins like Updraft Plus or your host's control panel, you can roll your site back to just before the update. Yes, this can feel daunting, but it's a reliable way to restore everything exactly how it was. Many users report this fixed not only missing menus, but other surprising site glitches after major updates. And that's it. With these steps, your site should be restored and your navigation looking sharp. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. Drop any questions, troubleshooting stories, or requests in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress guides and solutions. Thanks for watching and good luck fixing those menus.